Here, this is in the area of Shenandoah, which is going to be in central to everything, non-flood zone, 10 minutes to Coconut Grove, 10 minutes to Coral Gables, to Brickell, 20 minutes to Miami Beach, or to the Design District. So very centrally located. It's a beautiful Art Deco property. So as you can see, it has a lot of the Art Deco features. So let's review this home. So far, nice curb appeal. I don't love the millennial flooring, but this seems like vinyl laminate plank, so this could be easily replaced. At least it's a level surface. If you like it, fantastic. I think we could put a little bit more color or light and bright airiness into the property. I do love the kitchen. I like what they did here. That's all brand new. I'd say that the plumbing is also brand new. It has a nice yard, updated bathroom. I could live with that. Okay, we have a total of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Maybe you want to do a little bit over here. Hide the pump for the swim spa. This is a swim spa. This is the AC for the property. It's got a detached garage, which is nice because a lot of properties in Miami don't have garages. So this is great. You do have that. And like I said, it's got a nice yard. It's centrally located and it's under $1 million. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what Miami will have to offer, an Art Deco gem of a property that could use a little bit more style, but bring your furniture in, you can make it beautiful. This is $1 million in Miami, and I'd say that's not a bad house whatsoever. Now let's look at what $2 million will get you in Miami. So here we see a new construction. This is a townhome. It might even have a rooftop terrace, as some of them do, but we're looking at 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,850 square foot for $689 a square foot. So that's pretty good for 2025 new construction. So let's take a look at these photos. Honestly, it looks great. It's really nice. It's modern. It's stylish. It's got a lot of white, a lot of light. I actually don't hate it. Glass staircase. I love how they separated the floor. Look at that high ceiling. This is really, this is pretty. $2 million will get you a nice property with a pool, 4.3, nearly 3,000 square foot, modern kitchen. I don't have anything I dislike about this. This is pretty nice. I even like the ductwork, the lighting, the decor. Again, you can put your own decor in, but it's really got nice features and it's brand spanking new. You've got sitting areas upstairs. So it's really 4 bedrooms plus a den or a family room, seating area. Nice balcony with a view. I love the finishes. Yeah. $2 million will get you a nice new construction in the city of Miami. You know, imagine it, right now it's a blank shell, but imagine it with your furnishings and artwork and really, you know, bringing in a little bit more hominess to it. But the pool's great. It's got a hot tub built in. I'm not a fan of turf, to be honest with you, but I understand why a developer would put that down so it looks nice and green. But this is in a great location, right? This is the roads. This is the Metro Rail, and that's something you need to think about when you're in the roads, the lower part of the roads or in Silver Bluff, that you might hear this. But with hurricane impact windows and doors, I don't think you'll have that issue whatsoever. You're not right on top of it. But as you can see, that's the Bay of Miami. This is the beginning of Coconut Grove. It really is a beautiful place to live. And there's the city. So you're 5 minutes outside the city, near the bay, in a non-flood zone area with a brand new construction. $2 million is going to get you something nice in Miami. Now let's look at what $3 million will get you in Miami. So as we see here, this is a newer construction, 2024, on a 7,800 square foot lot. It's over 3,000 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, for $879 a square foot. So what we see here, 257 Southwest 32nd Road, this is The Roads. The Roads is a beautiful neighborhood. The front of the property is an old classic Florida home. So this is probably an older home that was expanded more than 50% and then completely gutted from the ground up. So effective year built is 2024. But it has old Florida charm. And then as we go through the property, we go high ceilings, updated kitchen, expanded living areas, second story added as well. Nice large master bedroom. Anytime you have a 5-bedroom, it's not going to be big open spaces. They got to fit 5 bedrooms in there plus all the living spaces. So if I had to critique this at all, I'd say maybe you want it a little bit more open, but it is a 2-story, so you do get a view, and it does seem to have a really nice pool. So let's go actually to the pool area. Right. This is a beautiful pool. As you can see, here is the addition, right? This here, all additions. And it even has a rooftop terrace and a spiral staircase going from there. So the Rhodes is a fantastic neighborhood, no flood zone, large square footage, modern design, meets old Florida style in a classic neighborhood that is centrally located to Brickell, Coconut Grove. It's just close to everything. As you see, we get here to the second story. They've got more of this circular staircase. You've got bedrooms, you've got a rooftop terrace, you've got a nice yard, great location. $3 million will get you plenty in Miami. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. And it's close to the city. That's the beautiful thing about the Rhodes. So you're in the budget of $1, $2, $3 million or better, I know that I can find you something precise for you that you're going to love in the city of Miami.